Are you a beginner looking to make money online but don't know where to start? Look no further. In this video, we'll show you the 30 best niches to make money online. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a college student, or just someone who wants to earn extra income, this guide is for you. The first niche on our list is e-commerce. With the rise of online shopping, more and more people are turning to the internet to buy and sell products. You can either sell your own products or become an affiliate marketer and earn a commission for promoting other people's products. Almost everyone is on social media these days, making it a great platform for businesses to advertise their products. As a social media marketer, you can manage businesses' social media accounts and help them reach their target audience. If you have a passion for writing, blogging is a great way to make money online. You can write about pretty much any topic and make money through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. However, it takes time and effort to build a following and start earning a decent income. Online learning has become increasingly popular, creating a demand for online courses. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can create and sell your own online course. Alternatively, you can become an affiliate marketer and promote other people's courses. These are just a few of the many niches you can pursue to make money online. By finding a niche that aligns with your skills and interests, you can turn your passion into a profitable online business. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring these niches and see which one fits you best.